Welcome to my channel Khan Technical School. In this video you will be introduced to the full biography of the American comedian Matthew Perry, who has just passed away. Watch the full video and subscribe to the channel. Matthew Langford Perry was an American-Canadian actor. He starred as Chandler Bing on the NBC television sitcom Friends from 1994 to 2004, and won a Screen Actors Guild Award for Outstanding Performance by an Ensemble in a Comedy Series for the role. Perry also appeared on Ally McBeal, 2002, and received Primetime Emmy Award nominations for his performances in The West Wing, 2003, and The Ron Clark Story, 2006. He gained a leading role in the NBC series Studio 60 on the Sunset Strip, which aired from 2006 to 2007. Perry also became known for his leading film roles in Fool's Rush in 1997, Almost Heroes, 1998, 3 to Tango, 1999, The Whole 9 Yards, 2000, Serving Sarah, 2002, The Whole 10 Yards, 2005, and 17 Again, 2009. He voiced Benny in the video game Fallout New Vegas, 2010. Perry was co-creator, co-writer, executive producer, and star of the ABC sitcom Mr. Sunshine, which ran from February to April 2011. In August 2012, he starred. Early life and education. Perry was born in Williamstown, Massachusetts, on August 19, 1969. His mother, Suzanne Marie Morrison, is a Canadian journalist who was press secretary to Canadian Prime Minister Pierre Trudeau. His father, John Bennett Perry, is an American actor and former model. His parents separated when he was 1 year old, and his mother married Canadian broadcast journalist Keith Morrison. He was raised by his mother mostly in Ottawa, Ontario, but he also lived briefly in Toronto and Montreal. Matthew attended Rockcliffe Park Public School for elementary school, alongside future Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau. He also attended Ashbury College, a boarding school in Ottawa. At 15 years old, Perry studied acting at Buckley School, a college preparatory school in Sherman Oaks, Los Angeles, and graduated in 1987. While in high school, he took improvisational comedy classes at LA Connection in Sherman Oaks. Career 1979 to 1993. Early roles. Perry's first credited role was a small part in 240 Robert in 1979 as a child actor. 17. Shortly after moving to Los Angeles, Perry began auditioning for roles. Perry made guest appearances on Not Necessarily the News in 1983, Charles in Charge in 1985, and Silver Spoons in 1986. In 1987 and 1988, he played Chaz Russell in the TV series Second Chance, later called Boys Will Be Boys. Perry made his film debut in 1988 with A Night in the Life of Jimmy Reardon. In 1989, he had a 3-episode arc on Growing Pains, portraying Carol Seaver's boyfriend Sandy, who dies in hospital after a drunk driving crash. Perry was cast as a regular on the 1990 CBS sitcom Sydney, playing the younger brother of Valerie Bertinelli's character. In 1991, he made a guest appearance on Beverly Hills, 90210 as Roger Azarian. Perry played the starring role in the ABC sitcom Home Free, which aired in 1993. 1994 to 2004. Breakthrough with Friends. Perry's commitment to a pilot for a drama called LAX 2194 initially made him unavailable for a role in another pilot, 6 of 1, later called Friends. After the LAX 2194 pilot fell through, he had the opportunity to read for a part in 6 of 1 and was cast as Chandler Bing. He was the youngest member of the main cast at age 24. Friends was hugely successful, and made Perry an international celebrity. By 2002, he and his co-stars Jennifer Aniston, Courtney Cox, Lisa Kudrow, Matt LeBlanc, and David Schwimmer were making $1 million per episode. The program earned him an Emmy nomination in 2002 for the Outstanding Lead Actor in a Comedy Series award. Perry appeared in films such Fool's Rush in Almost Heroes, 3 to Tango, The Whole 9 Yards and its sequel The Whole 10 Yards, and Serving Sarah. For his performance as Joe Quincy in The West Wing, Perry received 2 Emmy nominations for Outstanding Guest Actor in a Drama Series in 2003 and 2004. Personal life: Perry held Canadian and American citizenship. He dated Yasmine Bleeth in 1995, Julia Roberts from 1995 to 1996, and Lizzie Kaplan from 2006 to 2012. In November 2020, Perry became engaged to literary manager Molly Hurwitz, with their engagement ending in 2021. In 2009, Perry was a guest on The Ellen DeGeneres Show, where he presented Ellen DeGeneres with an Xbox 360 and a copy of Fallout 3. The gesture led to game studio Obsidian Entertainment casting him in Fallout New Vegas as the voice of Benny. Perry held various properties in Los Angeles County, including a condo in Sierra Towers purchased from Elton John, houses in Hollywood Hills and Malibu, and a cottage in Pacific Palisades. In 2017, Perry purchased a condo occupying the top floor of the Century in Los Angeles for $20 million. He sold it to Nick Molnar for $21.6 million in 2021, who sold it to Rihanna in 2023. In June 2023, Perry purchased a mid-century modern house in Hollywood Hills. Death: on October 28, 2023. Perry was found unresponsive in his hot tub by his assistant at his home in Pacific Palisades, Los Angeles, and later pronounced dead by officers from the Los Angeles Police Department. LAPD Captain Scott Williams said the cause of death may not be known for some time, but at this point foul play is not suspected. Acting credits: film 1988, A Night in the Life of Jimmy Reardon 1989, She's Out of Control 1989, Fat Man and Little Boy 1994, Getting In 1997, Fool's Rush in 1998, Almost Heroes 1999, 3 to Tango 2000, The Whole 9 Yards 2000, The Kid 2002, Serving Sarah 2004, The Whole 10 Yards 2007, Numb 2008, Birds of America 2009, 17 Again. Television serial 1979-240, Robert 1983, Not Necessarily the News 1985, Charles in Charge 1986, Silver Spoons 1987-1988, Second Chance, Boys Will Be Boys 1988, Dance Till Dawn 1988, Just the Ten of Us 1988, Highway to Heaven 1989, Empty Nest 1989, Growing Pains 1990, Sydney 1990, Who's the Boss? 1990, Call Me Anna 1991, Beverly Hills 90210 1992, Dream On 1992, Sibs 1993, Deadly Relations 1993, Home Free 1994, Parallel Lives 1994, LAX 2194 1994 to 2004, Friends 1995, Caroline in the City 1995, The John Larroquette Show 1997, Saturday Night Live 2001, The Simpsons 2002, Ally McBeal 2003, The West Wing 2004, Scrubs 2006, The Ron Clark Story 2006-2007, Studio 60 on the Sunset Strip 2011, Children's Hospital 2011, Mr. Sunshine 2012-2013, The Good Wife 2012-2013, Go On 2014, Cougar Town 2014, Playhouse Presents 2015, Web Therapy 2015-2017, The Odd Couple 2017, The Good Fight 2017, The Kennedys After Camelot 2021, Friends, The Reunion. Awards: he was won Screen Actors Guild Awards 1996, Outstanding Performance by an Ensemble in a Comedy Series, Friends. Wadding Awards 2013, Best Global Actor in a Television Series, Go On TV Guide Awards 2000, Editor's Choice, Friends. Wadding Awards 2013, Best Global Actor in a Television Series, Go On. Thank you very much for watching the full video. Must subscribe to Khan Technical School to watch such informative video.